Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you're getting a DJI Osmo Action 4 and it's your first time using the camera and you hit the shutter button like so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're recording on about 6. You notice how the camera came on without any dark screen and so forth. If you go into the three dashes over here, you notice down over here it says low light auto, low exposure, whatever it says, off, and you enable it. And we're going to shut the camera off. That was about a 2-second press. We're going to do it again by giving the same count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. I am now not recording. That, ladies and gentlemen, is now called a bug and an issue with DJI caught on film. I was trying to show you this. Let's shut the camera off. Let's do the start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I apologize when they made this button hard for the reason of diving in water so it doesn't trigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you notice the dark screen? That is what I'm trying to show you. That dark screen is auto low light enabled. But now, DJI, can you figure out why we have the camera on the shutter for the first time going into that issue? Also, how long does it take to do a video to get the instant on to work? The next time I should hit this 1000, I should be recording video, and we are not. Also, did you take note there's no more little green and plus sign in the center of the camera like the Osmo Action 3? I hope this video was somewhat helpful to you because again, we are once again not recording. This is factory firmware, understanding that now I have to update to the latest firmware in order to see this problem resolved. So I am going to now update my firmware, but I am going to show you the firmware I am on so you can kind of understand what is happening over here. Device information, firmware 100.0 3.02, 100.02.30. Why there are two different firmwares is beyond my recollection. You got it. Have a great day. Next stop, updating the firmware. Why would I want to update the firmware? For the reason of, if I hit the three dashes, in here, I must hit the Pro, and in here, I must go to color enhancement. It is on, not there, that is low light enhancement, and I'm able to get in there and go and do the sharpness and other things. That is why we need to update our firmware.